Hey love bugs, welcome back for another video. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley and today we're going to be playing in a new lace wig. This one comes courtesy of Eva Wigs, and you guys know their packaging already because you know your girl works with this company often. So today they sent over this beauty right here, and yes, we're going to be playing in some color. It's been a minute since I've done non-traditional color as far as like not your honey blondes and your blondes, something like off the wall extreme. The wig is 24 inches in length, 150% density, medium brown cap. The cap construction is a cap 3A, which is a full lace cap. Ooh, I didn't even know that. The hairline is pre-plucked, and then the cap size is average. They also included some wig caps. I love these. They gave me a mini pack of these bobby pins. I love the fact that they have these little mini packs because for some reason when I get the big packs, I don't know why, but I just never go to them. They last forever because I never use them, whereas these I always grab. And then lastly, they did give me a shower comb. So I'm not sure if I should keep it straight and like silk press it bone straight, or if I should add some curls to it, or if I should do like a half up, half down, 2 ponytails, 2 braids. I wish you guys could live let me know what you want me to do. That would be fun. Like if you guys could like drop in and pick the style. They have it set as a center part, but you guys can see here, this is a full lace wig. So literally I'll be able to part it literally down the center if I wanted to. And in the middle, in the center, not sure if you can see because of the dark brown, but there is cap of lace. Let's get to it. Okay, don't I look good? So I went ahead and pulled it back a little bit, and then I went ahead and cut the excess lace around the ears to fit my head. Now we're gonna decide what we're gonna do next. I think we're gonna go ahead and bond it down. We're gonna kind of like finesse a little bit of tweeze as we go. So go ahead, I'm gonna watch some crime investigation on Facebook. guys, so I am done with this look. I went ahead and just went for a center part. I feel like the color itself is so much drama that I wasn't sure if I really wanted to add any style to it. I started to do a half up, half down, but then I just kind of felt like it was gonna look a little bit wonky. Now obviously this isn't for everybody. Everybody's not into the whole like color thing, but maybe I should, I thought I was done, but maybe I should add some curls just to kind of give it some grown woman vibe. Let's do that really quickly and then we'll be done. I'm gonna do the other side off camera. Okay, so I feel like that definitely turned it up a notch. I feel like the hair is already processed, so you're always not sure if it's gonna hold a curl or not. I would say it does. Be careful, make sure you use a heat protectant and don't leave the curling iron for too long on, because of course since it's heat processed, or color processed rather, you will find that the ends may start to revert back to blonde. Now I love the pizzazz, the grown woman vibe that adding curls to this wig did. You can definitely also add layers to it. It's all about preference, but I love the way it came out. Be sure to let me know what you guys think of this one. Of course, a full link to this wig and details on it are in the description box. I am Ashley Bedeck if you're tuning in for the first time. I'm so sorry about my voice. I have been having a little bit of a bug. Everyone in my house has been sick all week, so hopefully I'll be back to 100 within the next couple of days. But if you've stuck around in the video this long, be sure to go ahead and subscribe and give me a thumbs up and let me know you're enjoying the content on this channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video with your friends, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches!